Hi everyone. Today, this video, what we're going to do is continue talking about unit conversions. And so I just want to backtrack a little bit. And so we're all using the same language. I talk about things as having equivalent statements. And remember, equivalent statements are just relationships that are equal. So there are several commonly used equivalent statements. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. It turns out that this is really pretty exact. You could have that 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers. That's only 4 sig figs. 1 gallon is equal to 3.785 liters. 1 kilogram, right? I'm just writing down a couple that are commonly used in problems. You do not need to memorize these. They would be given to you in problems if you needed them. I'm going to post them on Canvas, some common ones, or of course you can Google some common ones also. I'll try to give you the relationships in the problem that I want you to use. Sometimes there's a quicker way to get to an answer, but the goal here is to make you practice doing the conversions with what you have. And so the practice problems we're going to do right now are going to be long, and they're not going to be using the most efficient conversion or equivalent statement. Also, 1 milliliter is 1 centimeter cubed, and this is also exact, even though it doesn't look the same. That is both within the metric system. So we're just going to go through some problems in this video. If you have your calculator, it really is helpful for you to punch in along the way so that you can see that you're doing things correctly. And so the first problem we're going to do is 0.0502 ounces is equal to how many micrograms, right? This is the symbol for micro. And to do this conversion, these are the relationships that would be given to you. You would know that 1 pound is 16 ounces, and you would know that 1 pound is 453.6 grams. Those would be the only two that would be given to you. Now, you'd also need to know from within the metric system that 1 microgram is equal to 10 to the minus 6 grams. This one really you should know. That's by memorizing the metric prefixes. These would be given in the problem. So let's start with how would we solve this? Whenever you're doing a conversion problem, what you want to start out with is always go with the given. So in here, this is my given. So I have 0.0502 ounces as my given. I'm going to multiply that by a conversion factor. I'm going to take these equivalent statements and make them into conversion factors. Now I have ounces given to me, and so I want to get rid of ounces. So I'm going to find my conversion, my equivalent statement that has ounces in it. I'm going to use that first. I want to cancel ounces, so I'm going to put 16 ounces on the bottom, and I can go from ounces to pound. Now ounces would cancel. Now I'd be in pounds if I just did this math. If I took 0.0502 and divided by 16, I'd be in pounds. Now I want to get rid of pounds. So I notice I have pounds here. So I could say 1 pound, again, I'm putting this on the bottom so that pounds will cancel. 1 pound is the same as 453.6 grams. Now if I stopped, I'd be at grams. So I need to get now from grams to micrograms, and in this equivalent statement I have grams, so I could say 10 to the minus 6 grams is 1 microgram, and now grams will cancel. And if I crank that all the way through on my calculator, I should get 1.42317 times 10 to the 6th micrograms. Now I have my calculator set to be in scientific notation, so if you were not in scientific notation, that would be 1,42317. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. I think is what you would see on your calculator. Now you got to worry about significant figures. Beginning 0 doesn't count. Beginning 0 doesn't count. 5 counts. Middle 0 counts. 2 counts. 3 sig figs. So my final answer can have 3 sig figs. I'm going to keep the 1. I'm going to keep the 4. I'm going to keep the 2. I'm dropping a number less than 5. I don't need to round up. My final answer, 1.42 times 10 to the 6th micrograms. So when you're punching this into your calculator, one thing I just wanted to point out is that you're going to have to punch into your calculator 0.0502, then hit divide by 16, then hit times 453.6, then hit divide by 10 to the minus 6. Now, when you're punching in 10 to the minus 6, remember your calculator might have an EE or an EXP button, or it might just have a 10 to the X button. You can use any of those buttons to get 10 to the 6 punched into your calculator, but make sure that you hit divide by it first. Your calculator will always multiply and divide first immediately upon entering because it knows the order of operations. Okay, so that's one problem. Let's try another. So if we have a car traveling at 56.7 miles per hour, what is that equivalent to in kilometers per minute? What equivalent statements do we need to know? You need to be able to convert miles to kilometers. So we're going to need to use that 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers. That's one equivalent statement we're going to need. We're also going to have to change hours into minutes. And so we're going to need to know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. Now this one is exact because it's defined, right? And this one is 4 sig figs, limits to 4 sig figs, because it's between units, systems of units. So what do we always start with? We start with our given. We start with our given. Our given is 56.7 miles per hour. So I'm going to take my given, I'm going to multiply it by conversion factors. I'm going to make the conversion factors from these equivalent statements. So I have miles on top and I want to get rid of it. So I'm going to put 1 mile on the bottom, 1.609 kilometers on top. Miles now cancels. If we stopped, we'd be in kilometers per hour. Now I got to get rid of hours. Hours is on the bottom. So I'm going to put 1 hour on the top, 60 minutes on the bottom. Hours cancels. When I crank this through on my calculator, I believe you should get 1.52 kilometers per minute. And again, you're going to be limited to 3 sig figs because the given has 3 sig figs, right? So my final answer has 3 sig figs. So that one was not so bad. Let's try one that's a little bit longer. What if I had a container that was 48 feet cubed and I want to know how many liters is that? And all I know is that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. I know that 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. And what else do I need to know? Oh, I need to know that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cubed. And that's all that would be given. What you would also need to know, since the question is asking for liters and the last thing given is milliliters, is within the metric system, you would need to know that 1 liter is 10 to the 3rd milliliters. This one you should know. It would typically not be given on an exam if this was an in-class kind of situation. So where do we start? We always start with our given. So our given is 48 feet cubed. Here's my equivalent statement that has feet in it, this first one. So I'm going to start out with that. And I'm going to put foot on the bottom and inches on the top. Remember, this is exact because it's within a system. This one is exact because I told you earlier it was, and this one is exact as well. So if that's all I do, it's not going to work because 48 feet cubed means foot times foot times foot. If I take that and I go 12 inches is 1 foot, that's only going to cancel one of the feet. So I actually have to do this 3 times. Now all 3 feet will cancel, and now I'd have inch times inch times inch, and I'd be in inches cubed. If I keep going, I can now go from inches to centimeters. I know that 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters, but again, this is only going to cancel one of them. So I'd have to do this 3 times. This is getting to be rather long, right? Inches will, now it'll be in centimeters cubed. Now, I could say that 1 centimeter cubed is 1 milliliter, and this centimeter cubed is going to cancel 1, 2, 3, right? Because a centimeter cubed is a centimeter times a centimeter times a centimeter. And then my last step would be that there are 10 to the third milliliters in 1 liter. Now that's really long to write out that way. So you can write it in a shorter way. If you need to write it out in that much detail, that is fine. When you're all done with this, by the way, you should get, what do you get? I think you get 1.39 something. I went to 2 sig figs because this is only 2 sig figs. And I think you get 1.4 times 10 to the third liters. Should be the final answer out of that, equals. But I can write this shorter. This is times itself 3 times. So I could take this and put it in brackets and just say cube that conversion factor. Then I can write my next conversion factor, 2.54 centimeters is 1 inch. But again, I needed to do that 3 times, so I could write that as cubed. Now my next one, I didn't need to cube because 1 cubic, this is already cubed. So don't cube it again. That will bring it to the 9th, right? And then my last one would be 10 to the third milliliters is 1 liter. So you could write this in the shortened form. Now the downside of writing it in the shortened form is what happens if you forget to cube it, right? So don't forget to cube the value, right? So lots of people will remember the units are cubed, but forget to do the number. So on your calculator, you might have an X to the Y button, in which case you could put in 12 to the third for X to the Y in order to get 12 cubed. And if you don't have this button on your calculator, you could always just go times 12, times 12, times 12. It's a little longer, but it gets the job done. This is what I'm talking about with practicing on your calculator to make sure you get the same answer that I'm getting. Let's try one more. What if I asked you, something has a density of 7.5 grams per milliliter, and I ask you, what is that in pounds per foot cubed? Right? What do you need to know in order to do this? You're going to need to know that this is what I would give you. 1 kilogram is 2.205 pounds. 1 milliliter is 1 centimeter cubed. This is really, after a while, you're going to get to know that. And 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. Again, you'll end up knowing that because we use it so often. So I would give you these in a question. And then the other thing you're probably going to need to know, since this is in grams, but I'm telling you this in kilograms, you're going to need to know that 1 kilogram is 10 to the third grams in order to make this all work. And again, within the metric, you should know this. So it would not be given to you in the problem. All right, so where do we start? Always start with the given. 7.5 grams per milliliter. It doesn't matter if you get rid of the grams and go to pounds, or if you do the milliliters to foot cube. Makes no difference what order. I usually typically change the thing on top first, but it really doesn't matter. So what do I have with grams? I have this one. I know that there are 10 to the third grams in 1 kilogram. Grams is now gone. But I don't want kilograms, I want pounds. So I also know this relationship. 1 kilogram is 2.205 pounds. Now kilograms will be gone. Now I'm in my unit of pounds. I'm asked for pounds and I now have pounds. So that's good. I'm done with the top. Now what do I have to get rid of? I have to get rid of the milliliters. I know this. 1 milliliter is 1 cubic centimeter. Now milliliters will cancel. Now it gets trickier because remember, now I'm in cubed centimeters. So if I say that 2.54 centimeters is 1 inch, I can't just do it one time. This is cubed. This is not. So what do you have to do? You can cube it. Now centimeters cubed would cancel out centimeters cubed and you'd have inches cubed. If you do it this way, remember to cube 2.54 in the calculation. So now we're centimeters cubed. And the last thing we can use in centimeters cubed is we got to get rid of the centimeters and get to inches and feet. So I'm going to use this last one here. I'm going to say that, did I do that backwards? Centimeters, oh, inches, I'm good. I have to go from inches to foot, sorry. I have to go inches to feet. And you should know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So I'm going to put 12 inches on top and 1 foot on the bottom. And again, you have to remember that this has to be cubed. So that inches cubed will go with inches cubed. And now I'm going to have foot cubed. Don't forget to cube the 12. So if you punch this into your calculator correctly, when you're all said and done, you should get an answer of 2 sig figs, 4.7 times 10 to the 2, and your answer should end up being in pounds per foot cubed. Now, if you don't get this answer, it means you're not punching into your calculator correctly, and try it a couple different ways. If you're still having trouble getting it correct, please come to an office hour to find out what you're doing wrong. And I'm posting the links to the office hours on the first week 1. I'll send an email out to everybody. It seems a few people have been having trouble finding office hours. It's really imperative that you understand how to use your calculator. So those are just some problems that are a little bit more involved than what was given in the homework, and we'll practice more next week in the group activity.